this app has been updated. So that's why everything is quite different. When we start the recording, then for some time, our pictures are not shown on the both screen.
Yeah.
Right now, am I?
Now you are visible because they are providing this platform free for us, and I feel like it is difficult to download the videos also sometimes.
Yeah. So first of all, sorry for being late.
Oh no,
And ma'am tell me it's been, I think, more than 3 or 4 months today we are connecting. And I've been preparing for this conversation for a very long time, but sometimes I was not available. Sometimes you were busy. Because in the evening time, I don't take any session.
Okay. Yeah, due to the electricity problem there maybe, or some work is there. You have to prepare.
Because I don't do any work, but sometimes electricity issues, and sometimes because after having my meal, then after doing the dishes, then I read a book for some time and I watch some random videos related to learning this language. Yeah. So I do only normal things because I also want to enjoy my life. So for this purpose, I just watch some videos for entertaining purpose.
Yes. And you are also busy in making videos. Daily, I think you are making 1 or 2 videos, right?
Yeah, I take only 2 sessions in a day, but it's been last 10 days. For last 10 days, I have been facing lots of problems. My phone, there were some technical issues with my phone, and I don't know why, but my data was finishing very fast. So today in the morning time, I got a fully 3 a.m. in the morning time, and then I reset everything. And one mistake I did, I forgot my one Gmail ID.
Oh.
Password as well as the Gmail ID. And then I was really very worried about that thing. I was so curious as well on me that why I have done this. But yeah, somehow I managed on my husband's phone. I watched a particular video about that thing, how we got the Gmail ID and the password, everything. Then I done, and I can say now my phone is good. And even with 2 GB data, I had 2 sessions. I posted on 2 videos on my post channel, and as well as there's enough data is still there. But earlier it's been 10 days. I used to get extra data, means 90 rupees data for 2 GB extra, and 4 GB used to finish within 4 and 5 hours.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this was happening because you forget your Gmail ID and password. That was the reason.
No, I think because I have installed so many apps on this phone. Because that's why. And I haven't reset this phone for a very long time since I got this phone. So that's why I reset, and in this way my problem solved. I can say I fixed my phone on my own.
That's great.
Yeah.
You can do
this
everything.
Is the benefit of technology.
Yeah. And your mind also. You are, because you are very consistent personality. I mean, consistent in the sense that if you want to do anything, and if you want to achieve something, you can do it because you have that capability. That's a good thing about it.
Because it's also my behavior. I can say I'm a kind of a person who wants to tackle out his problem first, then he wants to jump to other work.
Yeah. Once upon a time, while I was preparing for my this PSC examination, I appeared once. At that time, my elder daughter was of only 4 months old. So I was remembering everything. And one of my sister-in-law, she just called me and asked me that who has written Discovery of India. Do you know? I said yes, of course, written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Then she said no, written by Mahatma Gandhi. I said no, I will give you the proof. Just wait. And then I searched lot of books because at that time there was no internet. Technology
was not there.
Yeah. But I searched the books from where I find that it is written there that Discovery of India is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. I took a picture of it. I think not picture. I called her and then I asked her to look at the book in which this page number it is written that this is written by Nehru ji. So I also, whenever it happens that somebody gives me challenge that this work is
Yeah, then I always want to prove myself. I have that capacity. I can do it.
Yes. So it's good thing also. And we believe that we can do. And it's a very positive thing about the anybody's personality that if you think, and it is also a law of attraction, you can say. If you want something, then you will get it.
But I think it's also a very nice way to get to know about the hidden abilities and qualities that we are having inside.
Yes.
Because when someone gives us challenge, then in order to prove ourselves, we always try to find it out a particular way to tackle out, to overcome all those obstacles on the way of which we want to do.
Definitely. So Yashoda, how the life is going on now?
The life is going good and it's winter season, so I'm also feeling cold.
Yeah. Same here. But winter season is good.
I think yes.
Winter season is good. And we can sit in the daytime. We can sit outside. We can have some sunlight
outside and take some free vitamin D from the sun while taking sun bath.
And if we are feeling more cold, then we can wear sweaters and inners and warmers and all that. We can cover our ears. But it's good weather, I think. Winter season.
Yeah, winter season is good for youngsters, but I think most of the old age people, they face a lot of problems. Even the child.
Yes.
Even the children as well. Because even not only child, in this season, no, whether you are a youngster or you are a child or you are a old age person, all of us we feel cold cough kind of problems. We face these kind of problems are normal. Just because of weather, it starts changing. Yeah, even in my family, all people were suffering from fever and cold and cough. But right now, everyone is okay.
Due to the change of climate and the eating habits, all these things also matters a lot.
Yeah, actually here in village, especially in the very morning time, after 3 a.m. So it starts getting cold so much. It's like freezing in the morning time.
Oh, because you are having fields all over there around you. You are having fields and you are watering those fields.
And even we can see that fog everywhere.
So the temperature might be less than 10, like that?
No, it's not less than 10. But yeah, it's normal here. In the morning time, you can see a little bit fog. Because it's in a natural process in village, because we also cultivate so many planted, so many different kinds of crops like wheat and vegetables, green vegetables. So yeah, but in the noon we enjoy that thing when we go to our farm and we have it's a ritual. Means सर्दियों में यहाँ पे स्पेशली होता है. Means ladies नमक मिर्च पीस के जाती है, चने का साग खाते हैं खेत में. Plus करके. Yeah, I like that thing a lot.
It's salty. चने का साग जो होता है, the taste is salty.
And I think it's beneficial for us, for our health as well.
It must be.
And I think this is the benefit of winter season. We get all the green vegetables in this season.
And they are so attractive, like बैंगन का भरता and this.
And especially 2 days ago, we cooked the pati chokha or cow dung cake.
That is litti chokha or bati chokha?
I can say litti chokha or bati chokha because I think in bati chokha we add that sattu.
Inside the.
Yeah. But in litti chokha we don't use it.
Okay.
We just simple made bowl and we just put on the flame.
Yesterday I also cooked bati and dal and that curry and chutney because I was having a little party of my friends at a small get together.
Yeah, you mentioned that.
Yes. So the whole Sunday
Tell me something about kitty party. What kind of things all the ladies they do in kitty parties? It's like gossiping or something different, something interesting.
Gossiping. Then we are doing singing, dancing, and we are playing a kind of game also that is called housey. Like tickets were distributed. We purchased the ticket for 10 rupees each, and then somebody will be there in the center. He will call out the numbers from 1 to 100. For example, if I am having, I think 9 numbers are there, and if she calls a number and I am having that number, then I have to cut it. Then there are some rules that if you cut a single line, then you will get 10 rupees. And if you cut the numbers will be cut horizontally or diagonally, then you will get 20 rupees. And if the numbers less than 50 are cutted, then you will get 30 rupees like that. So for each and every activity we are having money, and some are winning, some are losing, and then we play a 1 minute game also. Then a group dance we used to do. Then we also...
You also like dancing? Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing. And
okay. I think it's your hidden quality as a teacher.
I like dancing, I like singing, and right now I am learning to play dholak. My tutor is from Himachal Pradesh and he is teaching me online. So every weekday I am having 2 classes on Saturday and Tuesdays. And today I was not having any class. That's why I booked your session that, we can talk. Otherwise, this is the time when he will call me at about 8 or 8:30 sometimes.
So now you can play? Now can you play?
I have learned 13 tals. In each class, he is just giving me 1 tal. And then I practice it for 4 to 5 days. Then in the next class, he will listen that tal, and if there is any mistake, then again he will guide me that no, you are playing wrong. You should play in this way. And in this way, it's going on, and I love. Then I love in this
Okay.
Yes.
If I talk about my own experience about dholak, so when I was in school, so in the morning time, in order to do all prayers, so I used to play dholak and harmonium. Yeah, I learned. But after marriage, everything is just gone. Nothing is there.
Yeah, it happened because, our career clock and our biological clock, they don't just always they conflict each other. There are, because as you are not having right now, you are not having children. But after my marriage, my children were there. In 93, then in 94 also, then in 97 I gave birth.
Yeah.
So every time I was not getting very much leisure time for my hobbies and all that. But now as I am free from all my responsibilities, and then I'm just doing what I want. I'm also learning this car driving. I drive my 4-wheeler to my school sometimes.
That's great. Very, very congratulations to you.
Thank you. I'm not very much expert, but yeah, I can start the car. I can change the gears also, and till 40, the speed I keep only up to 40, and then we slowly in first gear, then second gear, and then third gear. That's only. And if I see any rush, then
you just complete first.
No, just I'm saying that whenever I see that there is lots of vehicles are coming and there is a rush in the road, I just get down from the car and I give my car to the driver. Now you drive. I drive only till I want it. Yeah, that now I can drive it very peacefully. There is not much rush on the road. Then I drive. And if
I think you have to do it practically, because until you start do it on your own, you won't become good as a driver, I can say, because this is the thing which is really beautiful about life, as you mentioned. Is you are learning so many skills, and even I want to say here. Some days ago, I talked with a lady, and she is more than 75. She is about to celebrate her on 27th December. She is going to celebrate her 50th anniversary.
Oh,
Yeah. And I talked to her, and she's, I think, around 70 plus or more than 70. She has started learning this language, as well as she has learned driving 2 years ago. And her husband was challenging her each and every time. You wouldn't become a good driver, but she accepted that challenge and she learned driving. Now she can drive a car.
wow, that's good. Because life never stops teaching us. So we should also not
Yes.
stop learning. We should keep on
And I
learning.
think this thing makes life more and more beautiful.
Beautiful. As well as engaging also. You know, simply sitting and gossiping, you are just wasting your time. If you are sitting and gossiping and doing nothing, this is a wastage of time. So instead of this, you must learn something because it nourishes your mind. Your physical health will grow automatically. Not much thing is needed. But you have to train at the same time, you have to nourish your mind also. And your mind will be nourished when you are learning something. So just we should keep on learning one thing or the other thing.